we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Hey, I'm looking at getting a new espresso machine, and I've narrowed it down to two: the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Bosch 800 series VeroCafe. What do you think?
Oh, interesting choices. I've glanced at both of those. The Philips is definitely more budget-friendly, right? Around $800 compared to the Bosch, which is closer to $1,600. Yeah, double the price.
Exactly. Price is a big factor. But what about features? The Philips boasts 12 different coffee options.
Well, the Bosch blows that out of the water with *35* beverage varieties accessible through the Home Connect app. That app connectivity is a huge plus, letting you control the machine remotely.
App control is cool, but is it necessary? The Philips has a pretty intuitive display, and I like that it has a LatteGo system that's super easy to clean. 2 parts, no tubes. That's appealing.
True, cleaning is key. The Bosch has a Calc and Clean program, which guides you through descaling. And the milk system uses a hose, which some people find less convenient than the LatteGo. But the Bosch also lets you adjust the aroma strength, which is nice for dialing in your perfect cup.
The Philips allows for aroma and volume adjustments too, plus an extra shot function. And it has ceramic grinders guaranteed for 20,000 cups. How's the Bosch grinder?
The Bosch also has a ceramic grinder, so durability should be similar. And it has something called the Aroma Max system, which optimizes the water flow, temperature, and amount for each drink. Supposedly, it gives you consistent quality.
What about size? Space is a bit of a concern in my kitchen.
The Philips is a bit more compact at 15 dx 10 inches WX 17H, while the Bosch is 18.4 dx 12.17 WX 15 inches H. The Bosch is a bit deeper and wider. It also weighs a bit more, 21 pounds versus Philips' 18.5 pounds.
Okay, that's good to know. So essentially, the Bosch offers more customization and smart features for a much higher price, while the Philips focuses on simplicity and ease of cleaning, but with fewer options.
Pretty much. It boils down to what you value most. If you want all the bells and whistles and don't mind the price tag, the Bosch is a great choice. But if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use machine that makes great coffee without breaking the bank, the Philips is a solid option.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.